almost
Okay?
night, but it's a little bit light here.
Okay, it's a little bit nighttime already. So is it not so
My
dark?
daddy getting this.
You're getting your,
No, my daddy. My
oh, your
daddy.
dad is getting your jacket. If it's cold, you
Cell
can,
phone. Cell phone. My
what?
daddy use
Cell
my
phone?
cell phone.
Cell phone. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. So you have to be careful. Okay. And then, do you have cookies? If you want, you can eat cookies.
Yes.
Really? Until what time are you
Have cookie here.
what?
Look, look me. Have cookie.
Uh-huh. Oh, you have a lot of cookies and chips. Wow, that's good. Okay, very good. Okay. You can eat a little only and then uh nibble. Yeah, and then good. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Wow. It's exciting to travel, right, Anthony? You are you are a traveler. You're very good. Probably it's like you're
How about night?
it's a journeying to another place from time to time. You're already like an adult. Wow. Okay, you tell us your story, okay? I saw your story with the pet, with the duck. You were holding the duck in the blog of your mom. And then I also saw you with your mom and dad and some friends in the forest, I think.
Yes, yes. I I go I go walk there a mountain there car
Mm-hmm.
we go in there. Here we go. We go touching for free. But
Okay.
but we use car. We will use money to keep the the people and we will walk the car up the mountain.
Yeah, it's an echo journey of
But
Anthony's friends
but
and family.
mountain yet.
What?
It get wrong. It's not mountain here.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Okay. Very
so
good.
I go that
And
in great higher. You
it's
have go go walk 1 million times for
oh my
have
God.
go
Really?
go there because it
I think we
rain
Jeros cannot walk at that far. It's a bit far, right? And you have to climb, right?
rain rain far. No, we have to walk.
Walk
Just only
only.
walk.
Wow, that's good exercise, right? Okay, so let's stop the video.